Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on July 10th. Market analysis. Trump's tariff stick swung to Canada, once again igniting risk aversion. The spot gold market reached as high as $3,330.34 per ounce yesterday, and finally closed at $3,323.85 per ounce. This trading day, the Asian morning market continued its bullish trend and is currently trading at $3,336 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.21 to $33.36, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,336 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.46 to $33.56. If the afternoon market breaks 3,321 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.11 to $33.01. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1661 and 1.1707, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1707 points in the aftermarket, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1760 to 1.1790. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1661 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1620 to 1.1580. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a shock stage on the hourly chart, and it is in a high shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3532 to 1.3587, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the market breaks 1.3587 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3532 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3430. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in the shock stage, and the shock range is 0.6556 to 0.6595. In the market outlook, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price. If the market outlook breaks 0.6595 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 0.6630 to 0.6660. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6556 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 0.6520 to 0.6480. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is at a high level. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 146.06 to 147.20. If the market breaks 147.20 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 147.70 to 148.20. If the afternoon market breaks 146.06 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 145.50 to 145.00. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.